Good evening and welcome to Bizworld. Malaysia's unemployment rate is expected to continue its downward trend and reach an average of 3.2% this year. According to TA Securities, the labor force is expected to grow by 2.1%, with the number of employed persons increasing by 2.2%. Now, it added the combined effects of government initiatives and the influx of foreign direct investment are poised to contribute to a more robust job market. The government is also proactively addressing issues such as low pay and the wage progressive model to enhance the overall well-being of workers. Malaysia's jobless rate stood at 3.4% in 2023, showing an improvement from the 3.8% recorded in 2022. Foreign investors maintained their net buying streak on Bursa, Malaysia, with an inflow of 400 million ringgit, marking the third consecutive week of net purchases. According to MIDF research, foreigners recorded net buying every day, with Tuesday witnessing the highest inflow of 188.9 million ringgit. Now, the sectors with the highest net foreign inflows were financial services, utilities, and technology, while the highest net foreign outflows were plantation, healthcare, and industrial products. MIDF also said that local institutions persisted in net selling domestic equities for the third consecutive week, amounting to 276.6 million ringgit. Local retailers resumed net selling after briefly engaging in net buying the week earlier. The FBM KLCI saw significant gains today, climbing to its loftiest point since June 2022. According to Bank Muamalat, the surge was primarily fueled by the robust performance in the banking, energy, and plantation sectors. At 5 p.m., the benchmark increased by 19.09 points to close at 1,531.37 points. Gainers trumped losers with 634 against 297 counters, while 429 counters traded unchanged. Now, Malaysia's palm oil stocks declined beyond anticipated levels, reaching their lowest point in 6 months by the end of January. According to the Malaysian Palm Oil Board, MPOB, its production plunged to the lowest level in 9 months amid steady exports. The decrease in stocks at the world's second largest palm oil producer is expected to bolster benchmark futures, which experienced a 10% loss in 2023. Data from MPOB stated that the palm oil stocks plummeted by 11.83% from the previous month to 2.02 million metric tons by the end of January, marking the lowest level since July. Meanwhile, crude palm oil production fell by 9.59% from December to 1.4 million tons in January, marking the lowest figure since April. Cryptocurrency Bitcoin hovered around $50,000 after scaling the closely watched level for the first time in over 2 years. It is a remarkable comeback from the crypto scandals and wipeouts that had cast doubt on the industry's viability. The token has tripled in value since the start of last year, following a 64% plunge in 2022. Bitcoin, however, remains roughly $19,000 below the all-time high achieved in November 2021. The wild price fluctuations seen since the introduction of Bitcoin more than a decade ago have long been one of the main attractions to speculators. The latest rally has been driven by optimism that last month's U.S. approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds is leading to greater mainstream acceptance. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Sabrina Zainal. Keep tuning in to TV3.